Hey, I've got this 16-foot tape measure by SURGOAL. They did send this to me. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. So at first look, it's like, okay, yeah, great. This is just a tape measure, but actually it's got a digital screen. It's got a laser. You're going to be able to measure distance with the laser. You're going to be able to measure square footage and volume. Here's your 16-foot traditional tape measure. It is auto lock. When you pull it out and let go, it's just going to stay. In order to retract it, just hit the button. So if I push this red button, you see on my hand, there's the laser. We're going to use the edge of this box, and we're going to go ahead right now. We're going to measure to the end. I'm going to click this button one time, 1.358 feet away. So it's just measuring linear distance. It's very accurate. This button right here toggles through the features. We're going to go to square feet. I had an area and I want to measure to here. We're going to click that once. It's going to measure this distance here. Then let's say I wanted to measure not only this distance here, but this distance here in a big square. So I'm going to go ahead. It's pointing there. We're going to click it. And guess what it does? It automatically will calculate the square feet. So this little area right here is 1.2 square feet. Let's say I wanted to get a measurement from here all the way into that corner. It's going to be really hard for me to do a tape measure by myself. So I can hold this right here. So from this right here over to that wall is 7.841 feet. Heck of a lot quicker and easier than having to drag out the traditional tape measure, and I can do this by myself. I do work outside. I am measuring garage door openings quite a bit. This comes in so handy because I can just hold it from one jam. It shoots down to the other jam, measures it just like that, rather than having to take this tape measure out and fiddle with it. So it is accurate. They did a good job. It's nice and compact. You got your little belt clip right there. Definitely pick this one up and check it out. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.